The case of R.V. Chan Fook is important in English law for three reasons. 1. It helped define the meaning of actual bodily harm under Section 47 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. 2. It held that psychiatric injury could amount to ABH. And 3. It held that feelings and emotions such as fear or panic are not an injury, so do not amount to ABH. The facts. A French student was lodging at the house of Mrs. Fox, who was engaged to the appellant. Mrs. Fox's engagement ring went missing and she accused the student of stealing it. The appellant interrogated the student, during which he struck him several times. He then locked him in an upstairs room and threatened him with further violence if the ring was not returned. The student attempted to escape by roping the curtains and sheets together and tying him around the curtain pole. The curtain pole broke and the student fell to the ground and suffered a fractured wrist and a dislocated hip. The appellant was charged with the offence of an assault occasioning actual bodily harm under Section 47 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. The prosecution did not frame the case in relation to the physical injuries sustained from him jumping out of the windows, presumably assuming his actions may amount to a novus actus interveniens, since it would be unreasonable to expect the curtain pole and sheets to hold his weight. Nor did the prosecution offer evidence on any injury inflicted by the initial violence. The prosecution based their case solely on the mental state of the victim and the fear and panic he suffered, but offered no medical evidence to support a finding of psychiatric injury. The decision. The Court of Appeal allowed the appeal and quashed the defendant's conviction under Section 47. The legal principles. To amount to actual bodily harm, the injury need not be permanent, but should not be so trivial as to be wholly insignificant. Feelings of fear and panic are emotions rather than an injury, and without medical evidence to support a recognized psychiatric condition, a conviction for ABH could not stand. Lord Justice Hobhouse stated, "The body of the victim includes all parts of his body, including his organs, his nervous system and his brain. Bodily injury therefore may include injury to any of those parts of his body responsible for his mental and other faculties." Accordingly, the phrase, actual bodily harm, is capable of including psychiatric injury. But it does not include mere emotions such as fear or distress, nor panic, nor does it include, as such, states of mind that are not themselves evidence of some identifiable clinical condition. In summary, the case of R.V. Chan Fook helped define the meaning of ABH. It confirmed that bodily harm extended to psychiatric injury, but there must be presence of an injury rather than emotions such as fear and panic. This video is part of a series of videos on law from www.e-lawresources.co.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@e-lawresources. It's free to do so and will help us to keep providing these videos. Check out our website, which provides lecture outlines and case summaries. See also www.elawrevision.org.uk for revision games and quizzes. Thanks for watching.